Dear student, in the revision part, our first question is, if the bisector of a acute angles of a right triangle meet 8 points. ABC is a right triangle, right angle at B, and the bisector of A and C meet 8.0. Then find the angle between the bisector. Find the angle AOC. So first of all, angle B is 90 degree. Then angle A plus C is also 90 degree. So bisector angle B is 90 degree, then A plus C is 90 degree, and bisector of angle A and angle C meet 8.0. If we are using the property, then directly we can find the angle AOC equal to 90 degree plus half of the angle B. So 90 plus half of the 90. Half of the 90 is 45, and 90 plus 45 is 135. We are using the property of this thing in triangle ABC. OB and OC are the bisector of angle B and C. Then angle BOC equal to 90 degree plus half of the angle E. If we are not using this property, then we can determine the angle AOC in this way. These angles are equal. So 2x plus 2y is 90 degree. Then x plus y is 45 degree. ये होगा equation 1. Again, x plus y plus angle AOC in triangle AOC. X plus y plus angle AOC equal to 180 degree. And x plus y is 45 degree, so 45 plus angle AOC 180 degree, and angle AOC equal to 180 minus 45, that is 135 degree. In both the way we can determine the angle AOC. Question number second is, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle. Side DA is produced to D such that AB equal to AD. These three sides are equal, and join CD, and prove that angle BCD is 90 degree. Angle BCD is 90 degree. Angle BCD is 90 degree. So here in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, these sides are equal, so its angles are equal. Angle ABC equal to ACB, both are equal. So its reason is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. ये दोनों हो गए इक्वल. Again, similarly in triangle ACB, here AB equal to AD and AB equal to AC, so AC and AD are equal. AC equal to AD, ये एंगल भी हो जाएंगे इक्वल. एंगल ACB equal to ADC, both are equal, and both are equivalent to Y. Next, in triangle BCD, angle B plus C plus D 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property. Angle B x, angle C x plus y, angle D y is 180. So 2x plus 2y is 180. Then x plus y is 90 degree. And x plus y is the angle BCD. BCD is a right triangle. Next question is, we are taking the question in Heron's formula. ABC is a given triangle whose sides are small a, small b and c. If the sides of a triangle are double or triple, this type of question are based on the percentage. If the sides of a triangle are triple, we are taking the triple. Then find the percentage increase in the area of triangle. अगर इसकी साइड को क्या कर ले हम ट्रिपल कर लें 3a, 3b and 3c. तो find the percentage increase in the area of triangle. The ABC is the given triangle and this is the A dash, B dash and C dash is the new triangle. So first of all find the area of given triangle. So ABC is the side, so semi-perimeter is the A plus B plus C by 2 and its area is square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. If each side is triple, then new sides are 3A, 3B and 3C. These are the new sides. So its semi-perimeter 3A plus 3B plus 3C upon 2. 3 is common and A plus B plus C upon 2. ये 3 और A plus B plus C upon 2 क्या होता है S. तो semi-perimeter is also 3 times. So 3S. Again its area del dash 3S, 3S minus 3A, 3S minus 3B and 3S minus 3C. Next, here 3 is common, so 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. ये 3 के 2 पेयर हो गए, एक पेयर ये, एक पेयर ये. 3 into 3. S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the area of new triangle. 3 into 3 is 9 del. So 9 times is the area of new triangle. Again, increased area. Increased area is del is the area of the given triangle and 9 del is the area of new triangle. So 8 del is the difference. So 8 del is the increased area. So increased area 9 del minus del, that is 8 del. And percentage of increased area, at del upon del into 100%. ये del से del. Here 8 del is increase on the del. So 8 into 100 is 800%. 800% is the increased area. Next question is, a cube of 9 centimeter edge is immersed completely in a rectangular vessel containing water. If the diameter of the base are 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter, find the rise in the level in the vessel. Here a rectangular vessel एक रेक्टेंगुलर बर्तन है, इसके अंदर पानी है, एंड ए क्यूब इज कंप्लीटली इमर्स्ड. सपोज यहाँ तक इसमें वाटर है. whose base are 15 into 12 सेंटीमीटर. 15 into 12 का ये बेस है, एंड ए क्यूब ऑफ 9 सेंटीमीटर इज इमर्स्ड. इसके अंदर एक क्यूब है, और ये क्यूब की जो साइड है वो है 9 सेंटीमीटर. A cube of size 9 centimeter is completely immersed in a rectangular vessel containing water. Find the rise in the level of water. तो लेवल, ये वाटर लेवल अगर यहाँ से यहाँ तक आया तो ये फाइंड करना है. हम अज्यूम कर लेते हैं 1 सेंटीमीटर. लेट द रेज्ड वाटर बी, लेट द रेज्ड level of water be x सेंटीमीटर. तो इसका जो शेप होगा वो भी रेक्टेंगुलर होगा, क्यूबोडियल शेप. ये फ्रंट आपका रेक्टेंगुलर दिख रहा है. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ रेज्ड वाटर इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब. Volume of raised water 15 into 12 into x. Volume of cube 9 into 9 into 9. X 9 into 9 into 9 upon 15 into 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. ये 3 5s are 50. ये 81, ये 20. और 81 को 20 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4.05 centimeter. So therefore raised level of water be, raised level of water equal to 4.05 centimeter.